guys, and today we are going to be trying new things I've never ever tried before. Y'all can comment down below if y'all have ever tried these things, because I'm be honest with y'all, I've never tried any of these things before. So let's get to the video. Okay, so my sister is going to be getting things that I'm actually not. Actually, she's going to talk to you guys while I just, We have this cool spinning thing that I always do. See, it spins. That's what makes y'all spin, and it's very cute and cool. Okay, she's going to talk to you.
So, I might give her things that are...
Allie, I'm picking things. I'm picking my food. I was going to collect
I get to pick some things. I might give her some things that she has tried before, but I might not. And so, go to my Mimi's channel. She will go on, she does a lot of art with these paints. She loves painting. These are our night-nights. They are gummies. Actually, they're gummy nights. And here is this cute little hair bow. And guys, go to Haley's TikTok account. And also go to my Mimi's TikTok account. Haley's TikTok account. What's your TikTok account again? Peachy Roses.
Okay, I cannot let y'all see all this stuff because I've actually never even
What's
tried.
Mimi's favorite thing?
Hold on a second, I'm not done yet.
What's Mimi's favorite, what's Mimi's TikTok account again? Ta-da! Here's Melinda Evans. My Mimi's TikTok account is Melinda Evans. And you'll need to check that out because she has me on it and she has a bunch of cool little cute TikToks on it and all
Actually, me and Allie are going to do this because I got 2 plates, 2 cups, because we are going to be trying some stuff.
No.
Really
She's
good.
probably gonna pick out some horrible stuff for me.
Okay, I can show the cups and stuff. Okay. Here's your cup.
Thank you. Oh, I can't.
Here's your plate.
Thank you.
And here's my cup and my plate.
Oh,
So, I'm going to turn it back around to me. Okay, hi guys. I'm back again. And, okay, let me start my chair over. It's already been 3 minutes so far, so we better hurry because we're going to try to make this 17 minutes at least. So, we're going to go ahead and go. Okay, we got our plates and we got our cups, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Okay, I've actually tried that before. Of course I have. Okay, so we don't need that. Now, we've only got 3 things to try, so I'm going to try my best to at least find some more stuff during the video. Allie's going to be talking to you guys while I find all this stuff. So, don't know which one to choose. But I'm going to go ahead and do the worst one first because this might actually taste good. But we're going to taste sea salt popcorn. I've never tasted sea salt popcorn before, so I'm really bad wondering what it tastes like. Okay. Allie, stop! Okay. Got a cup of popcorn for me.
I
Allie, give me your plate.
No, you have your own pot.
I know, I'm trying to. There. Now, let me go first because we have to do this. Ugh. Tastes like normal popcorn. With barely even any salt. I give this one a 10. This is absolutely delicious. Let's go to Allie.
Hi, so I might be ignoring y'all guys. No, we're not. And let's taste this.
It's good.
And as y'all can see, I put a little bit of touch of lipstick when I was using the bathroom.
It's good, doesn't it?
Oh my god.
Well, Allie does not like anything at all, but those just taste like barely even any salt in it. It was perfect. Okay, let's try the next stuff.
Has salt in it, guys.
Allie does not like popcorn at all, so that's why she did not like that. But next, we have these marshmallows that are filled with chocolate inside, so that's really good. And yeah. But we also have something else in it. We also have something else that's gonna go with this that is gonna be absolutely delicious. Okay. This hurts. Okay. We're only taking one because we are taking this stuff home and we are going home tomorrow. Yay! Because right now we are not at home at all. We are 2 hours away from our house. I'm going to try to pop this. I'm literally trying my best.
She don't.
I popped it.
She finally popped it.
Okay, let's see where I popped it at. Oh, back there. Okay, that's fine.
So guys,
Y'all, these feel weird. Oh my gosh, y'all want to see y'all want to see the design on these? These are, look at the design on them. They're like, Allie, stop. Sorry, y'all. Okay. It's a really weird design, but anyways. Stop.
Let me talk to him.
What the heck? The camera moves with it. That's so cool. If I put it up to the camera. See? Allie.
I have to move this thing around when I'm bored.
Stop. You want to be in video?
Okay.
There we go. Now we're about to try it.
Can we carry on to the drinks now? It's like dog poop. That looks like dog poop inside.
I guess you were supposed to cook it. Like, put it in the microwave. Because on the bag it says it's all drippy and melty and it comes with s'mores. So I guess these are the s'mores kind. It's good, but I don't really like it.
Can we carry on to the drink?
Okay. Taste it. Hurry up and taste it. Tastes good. I don't really like chocolate with. You have to eat it.
Guys, I am not hungry. I'm thirsty.
Actually, eat
No.
the chocolate.
I did.
Okay, y'all. Now it's time to make the drink. These drinks are gonna be a surprise. Actually, no. It's Starbucks, and it is vanilla frappuccino. It's a vanilla flavored coffee by Starbucks, so that means it's, of course,
We
gonna
both
be.
get to make our own, okay?
No, I have to make them. You're gonna talk to them.
No, I make mine.
Now y'all really see what my sister's like.
Sorry, guys, I got really bad.
She is a meanie, a big meanie. But in a good way. But in a mean way too.
Guys, sometimes I'm mean and sometimes I'm not.
Give me it.
Haley makes me mean.
She is mean. I never even make her mean, y'all. Okay. It's already been 11 minutes. Wow, time has gone fast. And I did a TikTok where we are staying on the... Okay, I'm making mine first. So the ingredients that you'll need to make this says... vanilla... Okay, you're gonna need...
Milk.
Add milk or sugar to bring out more flavor. I think that we should use milk. Don't you, Ellie? Okay, bring down the milk. We're ready. Okay. First, we're going to add the milk. Then we're going to add this stuff right here. Let me done. Do you need help? Hold on a second, y'all. Sorry, we're trying to get this milk down. Do not worry.
Put that back.
Wait. This up. Okay, we're gonna have to take this out. Woo, Ellie, you better watch out. You better not move while I do this. Oh my gosh, you see that? There's a leak.
Sorry, guys, we left y'all sitting down.
Yeah. Okay, we finally got it. Okay, Allie, I'm going. Allie! You're not doing yours yet. Get down.
I'm just sitting up here and watching you.
No, how about you sit on the stove?
No!
Do you want me to restart this video and you not be in it?
You want me to take your cup away?
I don't care because I can take it.
I don't care.
Okay. Don't worry, y'all. She's being in trouble right now. Allie's being rude. She kicked my phone. Okay. Allie, you're in trouble. Get down. She kicks. Y'all didn't see her kick my phone? You probably did not see her, but anyways. Okay. Let's get started. So I'm gonna open this up already. Whoa. It's hard. Okay, I'm gonna open it up by the bottle. That might be weird to y'all. Not really. Oh my gosh, y'all. All these. Uncle Corey, because Mimi's asleep. He don't want you though. He don't want you though. Just sit on the mattress. Okay. Now, let's get started. Okay. First, we're going to add the milk to my cup. Added the milk. Added the milk again. Here we go. Might want to put a little bit of chocolate in it because it might taste better out of the marshmallows. Okay. So I'll use a knife and poke through. There we go. Put that back in there. Y'all. I wish y'all could smell through the camera. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. There we go. Now we're going to get another one. There we go. Okay, y'all, gotta throw away this trash. Okay, time to mix. Okay. It's already been 17 minutes. Okay. Time to add the chocolate. Okay. This might not turn out so good, but I don't really care. You have to empty this out. Throw it away. Okay. Now. Okay. Y'all. My sister thinks that she's in trouble, so let's just get her. Okay, there we go. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna mix this one first. Okay, now time to mix the second one up. Okay, now I'm gonna add a little bit more chocolate to give it a more of a good taste, which is gonna be so delicious, y'all. I cannot wait. Absolutely cannot wait. Well, I guess there is no more chocolate, so that's okay. But anyways, I'm gonna get to mixing this. Okay. Oh, some more. Okay, that's all. Now I'm gonna put the milk back and put this in the mug. Okay. There you go. Now all I gotta do, put this at the side. How long will I put this on for? I think I might just put it in for maybe like time cook. They're gonna be in there. Yeah, I gotta make sure these do not melt at all at the bottom. It's good. Working out. There you go. That's really, really good. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Okay, we stopped that at 1, but anyways, turned out pretty good. Okay. I don't think these are that hot, which is not that good. Okay, we're going to wash this off. Here we go. Close that. Okay, hold on a second. I found a big chunk of chocolate in there. I accidentally did not mix it up all the way, I guess. Okay, these absolutely do not look like coffee at all. But anyways, I'm gonna melt this some more. Yeah. Okay, let's get these both in there. We gotta make sure that they're nice and hot whenever we take them out. Okay. Now we just wait. Okay. I'm gonna come over here while waiting. It's gonna be so good. I cannot wait, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna eat my sea salt popcorn. Wow. They're done. It does not look like this. Oh, I'm gonna taste it. Taste. Well, I guess that coffee did not work at all. Yeah. See this one? No. I hate to do this. Coffee. But me and my sister got to try again, apparently. Okay. This time, it's official. This time, this vanilla's get some water in it with sugar, with all that stuff in it. Because it's officially time. I'm tired of this. Time to look up to it. Okay. these two out. Okay. Now, y'all comment down below some coffee hacks that you make in the microwave, because apparently this coffee don't work in the microwave. Starbucks coffee don't deal with the microwave. They deal with the real stuff. They don't care to like, honey, let me tell you something right here. They don't lie. They do not lie. Okay, so first you're gonna need about this much of water. So I'm gonna pour that much water in each of them. Yep, they're the same. That's really good. Okay. Now, got it all over my hand. It actually stuck to my hand because it did. Okay. Now we gotta find out which one is sugar and all that, because my baby has a bunch of big veins. I can't tell which is sugar or not. Okay, this one's sugar. So that's good. We just put this on and get some sugar. Okay. Water with sugar might not actually taste that good, but I don't care. We need a bunch of sugar because water is not sweet at all. That's okay because it's good for you. Okay, I'm going to add one more scoop to both of them. And there. Okay. Now that's officially done, which means there we go. Now we're going to add in a little at a time. Okay. There. Now we just add one more. Okay. Some milk. Some milk and water don't really sound that good, but anyways. There. Okay. Okay, now I'm just gonna let them sit for a while. So let's hand them over. While we're doing that, that coffee really will not taste like coffee at all, and we gotta drink this on. I'm putting both of them in. 30 seconds, and then me and my sister can try them. If we do not like them, we're gonna literally throw them in there. Y'all just sit here and wait. Watch for me. Wow, I'm back. And it's done. I'm the pro at it. I'm the pro at it. Let's get it. Allie, come here. Try coffee. Come on. Never mind. Ugh. They don't taste so good at all. Okay. Ugh. There we go. Okay. I'm literally shaking right now. Okay. Ugh. 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 My poor tongue. I need that break from that stuff. Oh my gosh, that just ugh. That was so bad. Now, y'all folks know not definitely not do anything. Okay. Bye.